And welcome to your ASX chart of the day. Today we're looking at Westgold Resources Limited, gold company based in Western Australia, ticker code WGX. And let's have a look at why the price action is of interest today. Now, Westgold have moved up despite gold moving down. This is always an interesting disparity when this sort of thing happens. And you can see here that Westgold have breached a really important level at 173 here in today's trading. If we just take this back to the weekly chart, you can see there it was last at these levels back in February last year. We had a little gap down, but you can see the potential upside on this is possibly up to this $2 level. You can see a lot of price action around there previously. And this breach of 173 may mean we have a strong move up. It might be something that may take a little time to get up to that level. But certainly this move is very positive. If we move back to the daily chart, you can see that it is high volume yesterday, and we're seeing that continuation through today. So one that's worth consideration for sure, particularly if you want exposure in the gold sector.
Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.